I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to download YouTube videos for offline viewing on the YouTube website. And to be clear, this does require that you have a YouTube Premium subscription. If you don't have a YouTube Premium subscription, you won't be able to download videos for offline viewing. Step 1. Open a web browser, navigate to youtube.com, and then make sure you're signed in to the YouTube account that's associated with a YouTube Premium subscription. And again, this will require that you have a YouTube Premium subscription. Step 2. Navigate to the video you want to download for offline viewing. Step 3. Click Download in the row of options located directly beneath the video. You'll be prompted to keep this window open while the video download is in process. When the download is complete, the text will change to say downloaded. Going forward, if you're offline, all you need to do to access your downloaded YouTube videos is open your web browser and visit youtube.com. You'll see text at the bottom of your screen letting you know that you're offline, and you'll see your downloaded videos listed on the YouTube homepage, where all you need to do is click to view them as normal. You can also access your downloaded YouTube videos anytime you're connected to the internet by navigating to the U section and then clicking Downloads. You'll see all of the YouTube videos you've downloaded. You can delete downloaded videos by clicking the vertical ellipses associated with a video and then clicking Remove from Downloads. That downloaded video will be deleted immediately. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.